Alright guys, we are here at the Battle Depot. Yan, magbibenta kami ngayon ng bote. Tsaka yun maraming nagbibenta dito ng mga bote. Yan, so pulutin natin ang ating mga bote kasi sayang. Ayun Ayun. Sige, hilain mo lang. So meron tayong ilan na lima na okay. So yeah guys, hindi pwede ito. Hindi pwede yan guys. Pero kaya tapon nyo na lang sa loob. Yeah. Kasi ang pwede lang yung basta drinks. Pero itong mga ganito hindi pwede. Yan. Ketchup, hindi pwede yan. Drinks. Right? Okay guys, bilisan natin. Kasi masyadong malamig. Guys. Okay. Gate. Oh, careful. Careful. Hawakan nyo na lang. Okay, let's go. Go. Yeah, you tied it wrong. Pero butasan mo na lang mamaya. Sugo. Ayan guys, so dito yung loob ng bentahan ng mga bote tsaka mga cans. Bawal. Baka kasi bawal. Baka bawal. How much is that? Huh? Yeah. Yun. Okay, go. Scan here, scan. Scan barcode. Yan. No tip, no tip. 57 na. Yan, 57. Okay. Go again. Come on in. Get. Oh. Bilang pera Okay. Alright. So guys, ilan? 57, right?
So from all of that, I think that was around like 5 months of collecting bottles, and that was like 55 Yep,
All right.
Canadian. So that's like 4 months of collecting bottles.